Seedance 2.0 is finally here, and the results already look seriously impressive. The video quality feels crisp, the transitions are smooth, the camera movement looks more natural, and even the sound effects and voiceovers come through with the right emotion. In this video, I will show you the official way to access Seedance 2.0 and walk you through the full process step by step. We will start with a simple text prompt and use it to create this level of cinematic video so you can clearly understand how everything works.
Something isn't right. I'm not alone. Show yourself. What are you?
Then we will take storyboard images with multiple scenes and turn them into a consistent character film, where the same character keeps the same identity across different shots instead of changing from scene to scene. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. There are a couple of ways to access Seedance 2.0, such as Higgsfield, OpenArt, and other third-party websites. Officially, you can access this tool in Seedance AI. Simply click the link given in the description, and you will be directed to the official website. To access this tool, simply click on the Login button. You can connect your CapCut Pro account to use it with limited generations. After linking your CapCut Pro account, you will be directed to the simple and clean interface of this tool. From this drop-down list, choose the AI video option, and you can see that we have two options, Seedance 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 Fast. With the selected model, we have three ways to input our text prompts and image references. While Omni-Reference is selected, we have a couple of options to choose the aspect ratio and select the video duration up to 15 seconds. And this generation will cost you 0 credits. Here, I have pasted a simple text prompt to generate a scene where a young explorer boy with a torn backpack enters an ancient jungle temple covered in vines. Glowing symbols on the walls begin to light up as he steps forward. I have also added camera details, lighting, and video style in a 3D Pixar animation format. Click on the Generate button and wait for the output. Here, we have the output video. In terms of camera movement and scene description, the video looks good. Every detail is followed perfectly, including the character's appearance, camera tracking, and video style. Now let's test this tool in CapCut. Simply click on the banner at the top to open Seedance 2.0. With the image to video option, you can start with a single reference image or go with the first and last frame option. Under the Model tab, you have these two top-level models, and you can see that it also allows one free generation. Now, head over to the Text to Video tab. This time, I have pasted a detailed text prompt with camera details and dialogue. Choose the fast model with a 15-second video duration and a landscape aspect ratio. Click on the Generate button and wait for a couple of minutes. And here we have the result.
Something isn't right. I'm not alone. Show yourself. What are you?
This output looks amazing, and the dialogue delivery is clear with proper sound and emotions. By clicking on the three dots, you can download your generated video. Now let's test its image-to-video capabilities. Here on the Gemini website, I will choose the Pro model and select the Create Image option. I will type a prompt to create a 9-scene storyboard image in a 3D Pixar animation style for this simple story idea. And here we have a consistent character storyboard with 9 scenes. Now, in CapCut, I will upload this image and paste the story text. With these settings, I will click on the Generate button, and it will cost you some credits. Now, take a look at the final output video. This video looks incredibly good, and you can see that each scene is followed perfectly within a 15-second video. The character consistency, camera movements, and sound effects, everything looks perfect. So, you can take full advantage of this to create incredible content. What do you think about this tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.